Hey, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
Hopefully that's the only time I'll have to use that. Have you seen how fast VR is growing? We've all been predicting this, but no one has actually predicted what a popular headset release like the Oculus Quest 2 would do for our community. The VR industry is supposed to double every year for at least the next 4 years. And do you realize what that means? We're at the very bleeding edge of a worldwide technology. This is like the very early stages of the iPhone, and we're the app developers, and that's pretty crazy. And the best news? I'm back to help you learn and navigate all these uncharted waters, and I know, I disappeared on you with very short notice, and I don't think either of us expected that. The reason was, for the last 5 weeks, I've been teaching a college-level boot camp for VR and AR development called XR Terra, and I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested in checking that out. It was a blast to teach, actually, and ended up teaching me a lot about the difference between live teaching and making YouTube videos like this, which is a pretty big difference, by the way. In the meantime, I've been seeing all of your comments and suggestions over the past few months, and don't worry, not only am I going to make tutorials for most of these, I also plan on kicking the channel into overdrive. After my little break, I'm feeling super motivated to lean into YouTube and cultivate this community of amazing developers and VR enthusiasts. Definitely keep giving me your suggestions about what tutorials to make, because believe it or not, your suggestions have a lot of weight on what content actually comes out. I have a list that I write down and I mark which ones are actually suggestions. Now, don't limit your suggestions to tutorials anymore. I'm going to be making gear reviews, game reviews, and some additional VR content, and just news, and maybe even weekly live streams. So yeah, I just got a Valve Index that we got to review in the coming months. Expect our usually weekly videos, but in addition to that, be on the lookout for weekly news, tips, tricks, reviews, and other stuff like that. But wait, there's more. I put out a devlog several weeks ago talking about how I'm creating my first game to release on Steam, and it's a story-driven VR game that's still in the works, and alpha access will actually be coming to Patreons very soon, and the link to support me with the Patreon is down below if you would like to help in my development efforts. And one more thing, I need some help from you guys. With all of these new videos I'm putting out, the part that takes me the longest is always editing the video down and then creating the thumbnails. So if you are adept at Adobe After Effects or Premiere and you're interested in helping me out and maybe making some side income, and then just helping the channel grow and becoming a part of this, send me an email with some link to your work, or just hit me up on Discord with some references and whatnot, and I'll appreciate that so much. So, more videos, new game releases, hiring an editor, there's a lot going on, and I am so glad you're here for it, and I will see you in the next one.